Good afternoon. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the closing and awards presentation ceremony of the PolyU Science Young Talents Competition 2025. This competition aims to nurture the next generation of scientific young talents. We are honored to celebrate the second year of this remarkable competition. On behalf of the Faculty of Science and our colleagues, I once again offer our warmest congratulations to all the awardees. Let us share their joy and acknowledge their accomplishments together.